Today we're looking at a certified 2015 Honda Pilot LX. All right, it's got 43,000 miles on it. It's alabaster silver metallic in color. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. We'll start here on the driver's side. Just a little scratch right there in the door. Okay, it's been painted over. Real minor. Just want to point that out to you. It is equipped with the rear backup camera. Okay, it does have the third row seating. Everything down the rear of the vehicle is in good shape. Another small little ding right here up under the side mirror. Okay, but other than that, everything else on the exterior of this Pilot is in great shape. All right, it's a certified 2015 clean Carfax, one owner, 43,000 miles on it. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the gray door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Okay, it does have gray cloth seating. Here's the driver's seat here. All right, it does have your keyless entry key fob. Okay, got your cup holders here, and this does close. Close that off a little bit. You can have it open, have some storage and cup holders there. Middle console has your power outlet, auxiliary, and USB port. All right, passenger seat cloth is in good shape. It is an automatic. Okay, it's got your dual climate controls and your rear lock there. You can control the rear heat and air from the front as well. Okay, got your AM/FM CD player. Going to have your radio display right there with the backup camera. We'll show you that in just a second. It's got your steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 43,075 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, go ahead and show you the radio display. All right, then your dual climate controls display will be right there. All right, AC's blowing cold, no problems there. It does have a power outlet right here as well. All right, go ahead and engage the backup camera. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Okay, now it is a third row Pilot. We'll go ahead and take a look at the second row first. Carpet back here is in good shape. Does have your rear heat and air with power outlet right there. Second row cloth is in good shape. All right, no problems at all here. It's got the center console that comes down with your cup holders. Okay, go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. And then to get the second row down, to get access to the third row, you can either pull this top lever here, or you can pull this up, and that'll actually recline the seats, okay, all the way down and slide up. Third row cloth is in good shape. All right, the seat will slide right back into place there. And then this one up here just strictly does the back down like that, okay? It doesn't slide. So you have two options here. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back. A little storage down here. All right, another convenient power outlet here. And as you can see, when the third row's up, it does cut into the space in the rear just a little bit, okay? Simply pull these handles down, push the seat. There we go. All right, now stand back a little bit and you can see how much it really opens it up back there, okay? Now you got a ton of room back there. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. You got 17-inch styled steel wheels. Okay. Tires are in great shape. Plenty of tread left on them, almost a brand new set of tires there. All right, once again, we got a certified 2015 Honda Pilot LX 43,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.